Alright, we're moving right along into 3 and 4 now. Those first two should be close to being uploaded. This one is 5720. Still spots available for January 5th Prism, January 7th Absolute and Victory Lane, then I think we're going to have another Select maybe that following weekend. If not the following weekend, the weekend after. Maybe we'll take a weekend off and then we can go get a maybe like another Saturday night Absolute and then a Monday Select. Alright, that right there is the stack for box 3. Let's see what we can get here. Keep that stack over a bit. Again, we're not really going to worry about base. We'll call the silvers David Reagan. We have a Kenny Wallace autograph. Select signatures, Kenny Wallace. Elliott Sadler blue. Matt Kenseth Speed Merchant. Chase Elliott silver. Ty Dillon hit. Select swatch fire suit for Ty Dillon. Kyle Busch, $2.99. It's number 212. Greg Biffle. Kyle Larson silver. AJ Allmendinger UCP. Brennan Poole blue to $1.99. Larson Speed Merchant. 3 base. Brad Keselowski silver. And Carl Edwards is going to be the second autograph. Select signature, Carl Edwards. Last chunk here of 3. Going to have a tie-dye rookie. Kyle Grala, tie-dye rookie. Numbered to 24. That one's number 23. Nice one there. Casey Kane selects star. Kyle Busch silver. William Byron select swatch fire suit. Brandon Jones $2.99. Suarez. Casey Kane silver. Kurt Busch 13 of 50. Blue select swatch fire suit. Matt Kenseth silver. Dale Jr. select star. Just a Kurt Busch base. Let's get right into box number 4, which will be 5722. Oh, sorry, 2722. that's really heavy. Must be a sheet metal. As I know I've mentioned before, and a lot of you probably got my email that I sent out. Gosh, it's been, what, 3 weeks ago now? I'm really going to plan on focusing on the 4 products. 2017 Select and Absolute, and then 2018 Prism Victory Lane. Plan on, as long as I can keep getting cases, I plan on probably breaking those 4 products at least until mid-summer of 2019. By that point, in summer 2019, maybe some of those new 19 products will become more reasonable in price, and we can start taking a look at mixing in one of those 2019 products. Cold Custard Blue Rookie, 100 of 199. Select Stars DJ. Kyle Busch Silver. Joey Logano, Ryan Blaney. Tire looks like. Base Keselowski to 299. Speed Merchants Larson. 3 base Matt Kenseth Silver. Rusty Wallace. We got a silver Harrison Rhodes. Chase Elliott 79 of 99. Red. Select Swatch Fire Suit. Chase Elliott Red, number 76. Truex Speed Merchant. Last chunk of 4. Chase Elliott Silver. Clint Boyer Kurt Busch, 47 of 199. Nice chunk of sheet metal there for Kurt. Should be coming up on some autographs here. Chase Elliott to 299. Trevor Bayne. Kyle Larson Silver. Keselowski UCP. Casey Kane Blue, 105. Casey Kane Speed Merchant. We have a white of Dale Jarrett. That is 45 of 50. We have Keselowski Silver. Casey Kane Signature Paint Scheme, 20 of 25. Nice one there. Red. Usually get 1 or 2 at least. I'd say probably 2. You'll probably get about 2 signature paint schemes. Casey Kane, 20 of 25. Nice one there. 3 base. Daniel Suarez Silver and Casey Mears. Select endorsements for Casey Mears. There we go. Chase Elliott base. Alright, that was 3-4. Be right back with 5 and 6.